Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights, the BISSELL Power Steamer Heavy Duty 3-in-1 and the Gorfinti Steam Mop 10-in-1 Floor Steamer. It's like the Rocky of steam mops, but instead of punches, we're throwing steam. Let's see, which one will come out on top in our ultimate cleaning face-off? First up, let's talk about the price. The BISSELL Power Steamer is priced at $175, which some reviewers find to be a bit steep given its heavy weight and the durability of its accessories. Meanwhile, the Gorfinti Steam Mop comes in at a more budget-friendly $119. Reviewers appreciate this affordability, noting that it still offers excellent value for its versatility and performance. Clearly, Gorfinti takes this round. Next, let's look at functionality. The BISSELL is a 3-in-1 steam cleaner, which reviewers have praised for its versatility in cleaning various surfaces, but some find it heavy and tiring for large areas. On the other hand, the Gorfinti boasts a 10-in-1 functionality, easily converting into a handheld steamer and excelling in cleaning tough messes. Many users love its lightweight design and quick heat-up time, making it a standout in this category. Gorfinti clearly takes the cake for functionality. Moving on to heat and steam control, the BISSELL has variable steam modes and an on-demand trigger, which some users find effective but also note occasional bursts of steam. In contrast, the Gorfinti heats up in just 20 seconds, with reviewers raving about its powerful steam output. It's become a favorite for those looking for speed and efficiency. For this category, Gorfinti is the winner for its quick heating. Let's talk about accessories. The BISSELL comes with an impressive 29 accessories, which reviewers appreciate for the variety they provide in cleaning tasks. However, some have mentioned durability issues with certain attachments. Gorfinti, while offering fewer accessories at 10, is noted for its effective handheld functionality, making it easier to clean hard-to-reach spots. While Gorfinti is versatile, BISSELL takes this round for sheer volume of accessories. After reviewing customer feedback, it's clear both steam mops have their strengths. The BISSELL is praised for its effectiveness and versatility, though some users find it heavy and its accessories less durable over time. The Gorfinti, meanwhile, is lauded for its ease of use, lightweight design, and quick heating, but it has limitations for high areas and grout cleaning. Overall, both products have their dedicated fan bases for different reasons. So, to wrap it all up, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that heats up fast and can tackle tough jobs, Gorfinti is the way to go. But if you want an all-out steam cleaning arsenal with 29 accessories, BISSELL is your best bet. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product comparisons. Which steam mop would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep cleaning smart.